You want to do some self-care, but you don't know where to start, right? I got you. This quiz I'm about to take right now would help you find some type of ritual to start. And that's coming right up. What's going on, guys? If we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful tips and strategies to improve your self-care, as well as fun quizzes just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Alright, let's get started. What self-care ritual do you need right now? Self-care is important. Therapists, doctors, and even employers wish we practice it more often. Get started now. What's for dinner? Frozen dinner, takeout dinner, comfort food, potato chips and a candy bar, something healthy, whether I need to throw together from a box, whatever I can throw together from a box. Let me be honest. As much as I would love something healthy or, you know, something that I could just like put together real quick, unfortunately, as of right now, it's not looking too good. So I might say a frozen dinner, but actually, no, I lie. No, I lie. Something, whatever I could throw from a box. And oh my God, this thing is moving slow. Okay, so when was the last time you had a good cry? Ages ago, yesterday, a couple months ago. Well, my voice just cracked. I like how that just is sleeping on cue. Well, I do remember crying a few months ago, kind of like reminiscing about my grandmother that passed away a few years. And it was just one of those random moments where it's just, you know, you think of someone and you just kind of like remember all those good times. Knowing that someone was there one day and then gone the next, it really is mind-blowing and mind-boggling sometimes to even think about. And to be even more descriptive real quick, story time, I was crying from asleep. Like literally, I remember waking up with tears coming down my eyes, and like the last thing I remember dreaming was about my grandmother a few months ago. What would you rather have? Help? Nap at a hammock? Hug? Or validation? Which would I rather have? So fuck validation. What would I rather have? I would rather have help. Help making some money because I'm poor. I am poor. So I need help. What is your reaction when your phone rings? I hope it's not a specific person. I hope it is a specific person. Stop ringing. Yay! Stop ringing. Just stop ringing. Oh shit, I put yay. Damn it. Where would you rather... I'm so mad. Where would you rather vacation? Non-touristy Caribbean island, secluded lakeside cabin, luxury hotel in Paris, Iceland, visiting family, a major US city. I've been to a few islands already in the Caribbean, so that's not really, you know, on the list. I really want to go to Japan though, but I don't see that there. I guess a major US city. I'll go to Cali. I've never been to Cali before. What do you think about the typical night weekend? You see guys, I can't read English. I keep saying that every other video, but it's really true. Give me a script and I mess it up 10,000 times. I really can't read. What do you do on a typical weekend night? Go out to dinner, stay at home watching TV, go browse bookstores, see a movie, or go to an event. It's like I'm working on the weekend nights. If I'm not working on the weekend nights, I'm working on these videos or TikTok videos. By the way, follow me on TikTok, guys. Yeah. I mean, none of these really apply to me. What kind of books do you have the most of? Self-help, how-to, fiction, religion, or philosophy? So right now I'm in post-production in the dark. Don't ask. But I know the word is philosophy. I don't know for what reason I was thinking of But anyways, the word is philosophy. Back to the video. Self-help. Most of my books I have, especially on my iPad, is self-help. So self-help it is. What would you rather see when you look out the window? An ocean, flower garden, or forest? I don't like insects, so you can forget forest. Flower garden, I guess? I don't know. Or ocean. I do like the ocean though. Ocean breeze. What would you like more in your life? Freedom, love, happiness. Happiness. I ain't got happiness. What movie would you rather be in? Pretty woman, walking down the street, pretty woman, would you see my me? Alright, A Midsummer Night's Dream, You've Got Mail, Emily, Cinderella. I don't know half of these fucking movies except for Cinderella. A million here, a million there. Sicilian bitch with long hair with coconut every year. A Midsummer Night's Dream sounds interesting. How do you comfort yourself when the chips are down? I don't. Food or other vice. Music, TV or movie, go somewhere. Music is lit. Which would you rather visit? An art museum, a historic site, zoo, or I guess a zoo? I'll see animals, why not? Which cartoon character do you identify with? I thought that said Chris Brown. Charlie Brown, Chucky Finster, Eeyore, Bambi, Scooby-Doo. I guess Scooby-Doo just for the adventure's sake. You go to work and someone has sent you 3 new projects to be completed by the end of the week. What are you feeling? Worry about the level of quality I can achieve at that time. Stress that I won't get it done in time. Wonder about why they chose to dump this on me. Wondering why they tried to dump this on me and what that means about my value. Devastation. I'm flattered that they think I can do it, but I can't. I'll have to ask for help. Wonder why they dumped this shit on me. Yo, my nigga, why you dump this on me for? I guess I'll ask for help. Yeah, ask for help. Why not? I'm not trying to bust my ass and by myself trying to figure this thing. Come on, we doing some teamwork shit over here. What kind of music do you listen to? Upbeat, aggressive, romantic, sad. I do like a beat because I do like to dance, so mostly a beat. Pick a charity. Meals on Wheels, Toys for Tots, Shriner Hospitals, homeless shelters. I guess Meals on Wheels. Meals on Wheels, Toys for Tots. I guess Toys for Tots. Why not? Toys for Tots. Not Toys for Thoughts. Toys for Tots. If you're going to create art to relieve stress, which medium would you use? Paint, crayons, clay, pencil, or pen? I would say paint. Like, pick a flower. Iris, carnation, pink rose, red daisy. Daisy or peony. I like rose, red rose. Which are you? I gesture a lot when I talk. Chatterbox, shy, self-conscious. I deny myself luxuries most of the time. A lot with hand gestures. On video, I'm trying to get used to doing that because on video, I'm like my hands to myself, but whatever. Which theme song would help you? Don't worry. Be happy. All you need is love. Mr. Blue Sky, I don't know you. All about that bass, no trouble. Love don't cost a thing. Think you wanna try me? Yes, you won't. Don't worry, be happy. Why not? What trouble are you most likely to get yourself into? Financial, relationship, friendship, or family? I would say financial, because I'm poor. Your therapist tells you that you can choose from the following exercises to work through some stress. So pick one. Smash plates against a wall. Roll in a pile of teddy bears. Have a conversation with a parrot. Revisit a conversation from the past using Barbie dolls and win the argument this time. I would say smash plates against the wall because that sounds fun as fuck. How much attention do you need to pay to your personal appearance? Not as much, an average amount, a lot. I'm ugly as fuck, so we're going with a lot. How active are you, physically and or mentally? I'm very active, mentally and physically. I'm skinny as fuck, but you know, my mental is strong. Someone hands you a sack of candy. What do you hope is inside of it? Sour candies like Nerds or Sweet Tarts, chocolate, or creamy candies like caramels or white chocolate? I guess like caramel because who doesn't like caramel? I know she does. You're staying at the inn across the lake from a pub. How would you like to get to the pub? Row a boat across the lake, swim. Ooh, rowing sounds pretty cool. Walk around the lake, jet ski across, take a car. Jet ski, oh yeah, that's something we about that life. What would you rather receive as a gift? A book, perfume, lotion, cookie basket, or sunglasses? Nah. Because I'm very particular with my scents. So I say cookie basket, because who doesn't love cookies, right? Which thing scares you the most? Not doing enough, not being enough, not experiencing enough. Oh shit, this one's kind of hard. What scares me the most? Not doing enough. Which instrument music are you most like right now? Wind chimes, drums, violin, cello, child's piano, and trumpet. I would say drums. I like the drums. My self-care is you need aromatherapy. If you don't have time for lengthy rituals, although you should make some time, you can do a one-stop shop by buying some essential oils or diffuser, or buy 2-in-1 for the office and 1 for home. You can treat yourself with scents that battle stress and depression, or even with a common cold. This way you'll get some of the stuff. Whoa, bro, what the fuck? I'm still reading. This is one way you can get some self-care in until you have the time to get really into it. On that day, hit a real spot. So yeah, aromatherapy. Check out the quiz in the video description and type in what answer you've gotten. That boy schwanking right now, son. Schwanking. Schwanking, my bro. Oh shit, I feel like I'm about to break this fucking chair, bro. It's not even a fucking chair, it's a crate. That's it. I can't reach. I can't reach. Bam, bitch.